Hello, this is CyberDrive. Today I'm going to talk about Verizon Jetpack 4G LTE. Okay, the bottom right here is the charging port where you can charge. Just powered off, so I'll power it back on. This is the signal strength. This is power on button, up and down, and it hit OK. And while this is starting, I'm going to talk about the bandwidth. They have different modes. Like you can start from 82.11a, 11n. Well, those are determining your level of security and internet security protection online. Also, they have updates. And right now it's at full power, so right now there's no service because this one doesn't seem to work anymore because it's outdated. And you can still log in. They still have a website online to go Verizon Jetpack, and then you'll be able to. Okay, menu, view usage. Okay. It's been one use, so Wi-Fi and password, connected device, messages, network settings. Okay, you can choose which setting, like LTE, global. LTE is just right here. Global is like use a big Wi-Fi area and connect other devices, and same thing for GMS mode. Okay, Wi-Fi settings, software updates. About Jetpack will tell you like passwords, admin password, usernames. Username is just the internet. And Wi-Fi settings. Okay, let's go inside that. Start W. It's a wireless point service. It'll be looking for Wi-Fi within the area, and you can activate it. Band select. You can choose 2.4 gigahertz or 5.0 gigahertz. I set to 5. Wi-Fi network mode. Yeah, this is the one that I told you about. 82.11a and so forth. You only have like 3 options. Broadcast SID. That's for security, so it protects you. AP isolation blocks out like other people accessing your Wi-Fi. You can turn on or off. You can turn it on because it's gonna help you. You don't have to. So you turn Wi-Fi on or off. Maximum connections total 5. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with everyone so they know about Verizon Jetpack 4G LTE, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.